Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to buy from AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device and make sure that you have signed in to your account, or at least you have your account. Go to the search bar at the top on the home screen and type whatever you're looking for. I don't know, let it be something random just to show it to you. Tap search and scroll through the results, and when you find something that you like, tap on image of the product to open the details of the product. It is description of the product. Here you can see videos of this product, photos as well, so scroll through the photos. Also, here is description of the product, its price, size, color, whatever. And also here you can see shipping time and of course reviews. Here they are. For example, if there are any variations, let me show you on another example. If here are any variations, so it could be color, size. For example, here you can see that those markers are 120 markers, and here is less 168. For example, I want those ones. And if you want to keep browsing, tap add to cart. Add it to cart, you see, and press buy now if you are ready to check out. Let me change my product. Okay, now this is order confirmation page. This is basically checkout. So here, make sure that your delivery address right here is correct. And also you can choose here delivery service, whether it could be delivery to an existing address or pickup points. Also here you can change your shipping address. You can choose your shipping method. Of course, you can choose your payment method. Here are many options to choose from. So make sure your payment card is correct. And here is basically the summary. The price that you are going to pay, saved value from the coins. Now we see that I have used 3 coins, and that gave me that discount. Here also I can enter my promo code if I have one, and also shipping fee. I have free delivery. And basically when you are ready to make an order, press this button, place order. And what? After a few seconds you will get a confirmation screen with your order number, and also you can tap go to your profile. Let me show you. When you go to your profile, here you should see my orders right here. Tap view all, and here basically will be displayed all your orders. And here you can track delivery process of your order and any updates. And that's basically it. That's how you can buy from AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.